After being taken from their mother's arms, Loki's descendants with the giant Angerboda have different fates. Jormungandr awaited his great calling in the depths of the seas surrounding Midgard. Hel reigned over the spirits of the dead in Helheim. Fenrir the wolf lived in Asgard among the Aesir gods, but as he grew, he showed signs that he could be a great threat to the gods, and that something would have to be done. In today's video, we will see how the gods of Asgard tried to deal with this threat. This video is brought to you by Raid Shadow Legends. If you are like me, then you are passionate about fantasy worlds and you need to know this game. The environment of Raid is based on a fantasy world where you can collect and customize hundreds of heroes, knights, wizards, elves, orcs, and many others to be part of your team and engage in battles with outstanding graphics. I enjoy summoning champions, upgrading them in the tavern, and building a team ready for any situation. And new content worth checking out is the Doom Tower. That takes the game's challenge to a whole new level, where you'll have to assemble a team with your best champions to face bosses. This is a real challenge that can only be beaten through sophisticated strategy. This October, the game will have a special Halloween event and activities that will give you goosebumps. We're talking big rewards, tournaments against other players, special fragment events to get some brand new legendary champions, including one very spooky Halloween champion, and much more. Day after day, Raid is getting bigger and better. There will be big news, so stay tuned. If you want to get a huge head start in Raid, all you have to do is hit the link in the description or scan my QR code and you'll get an epic hero. Chonaru, who is amazing in the Doom Tower. 200k silver, 1 XP boost, 1 energy refill, and 1 ancient shard, so you can summon an awesome champion as soon as you get in game. All this treasure will be waiting for you here. These rewards will be available only for the next 30 days and only for new players. Download Raid Shadow Legends for free now and see you in the PvP arena. The mighty wolf Fenrir kept growling, and so the gods of Asgard were constantly watching him. All the gods looked with great suspicion at the beast, except Tyr, the god who held a bond of friendship with the wolf. The deities of Asgard forged powerful chains to try and imprison Fenrir. And to hide their intentions, the gods told the wolf they had a challenge. Fenrir, though huge and evil, retained a playful spirit and loved to play games. The Asgardians challenged him to get rid of the chains built by the gods, and Fenrir accepted the gag. The gods chained the gigantic beast, but the strong chains were useless against the strength of the wolf. A new chain was created, even more powerful than the first. The wolf pushed hard, and the chain seemed strong enough to contain the colossal wolf. The gods looked at each other satisfied. But Fenrir took everyone by surprise. He gathered even more strength and destroyed the chain. The gods were baffled by the sheer strength of the wolf. Fenrir noticed the distress of the Asgardians, a sign that they were up to something. There was no rope or chain capable of containing the creature's strength. But Odin knew that only the dwarves could create such. Odin ordered the elf Skirnir to go to the land of the dwarves, asking them to create something capable of containing the wolf. The dwarves agreed and sent the list of ingredients for such an object. These ingredients were odd. For instance, roots of a mountain, bear sinew, woman's beard, fish breath, bird saliva, and lastly, the sound of a cat's footsteps. After having all the ingredients, the dwarves set to work. The gods of Asgard were given a rope that looked like it was made of silk, but the power was not in its appearance. Fenrir was again challenged to try to break those bonds, but the wolf was already suspicious. Looking at the rope of the gods, he suspected a betrayal. Odin assured the wolf that it was all just a joke, but the wolf and Odin never got along, and as the son of Loki, Fenrir could smell the lie on Odin's breath. The wolf said that he would only participate in the prank if a god dared to put his hand inside his mouth while the animal was being held. and if there was treachery, he would devour the hand without hesitation. The gods looked at each other, and the wolf confirmed his suspicion. But Tyr, the god who always fed Fenrir and with whom the animal had a certain friendship, offered to put his hand in the wolf's mouth. Fenrir agreed to be bound again by the gods. The wolf struggled against the bindings, but with all of his might he could not break the mighty rope made by the dwarves. Fenrir noticed the gods' satisfaction and looked at Tyr, the only one who didn't look cheerful. Then the wolf realized that he had been betrayed by the gods and even by his only friend. Fenrir closed his jaw as hard as he could, pulling Tyr's hand away. The god endured the pain without groaning. The brave Tyr was celebrated for his sacrifice. Fenrir was firmly bound to a rock. The gods of Asgard were finally relieved to have neutralized such a threat. The wolf cried out in fury, insulting the gods, and saying he could have been their friend. But in the face of that betrayal, they were now his greatest enemies. Fenrir vowed that he would seek Odin on the battlefield during Ragnarok and have his revenge.